Welcome back to Kamalkun Home Academy. Encounter with Mathematics. In this session, we will discuss about parabola and its representations in different forms. Now, what is a parabola? A parabola is defined as set of points, set of all points in a plane A parabola is defined as the set of all points in a plane that are equidistant from a fixed line and a fixed point. The point is not on the line. So, a parabola is defined as the set of all points in a plane that are equidistant from a fixed line and a fixed point. The fixed line is called the directrix. And the fixed point is called focus. This is the fixed point and this is the directrix, fixed line. This is called directrix. If P is a point on the parabola xy, then this point will be equidistant from focus and directrix. That is, if PA. From P draw perpendicular to this line. Suppose this line is L. So this is PB. So PF is equal to PB. All the points on this parabola or curve equidistant from focus and this line, that is directrix. This is called a parabola. Now the point of the line through the focus and perpendicular to the directrix is called axis of the parabola. Suppose this point is A and the point of intersection of axis and parabola is called vertex of the parabola. It's called vertex of parabola. Suppose this is the point of intersection of this. This is the axis and this is the parabola. The point of intersection is called vertex. So A is called vertex of the parabola. Now the equation of a parabola is in the simplest form if x and y coordinates are taken as the axis. So this is x dash and x so this is O. O is the point of intersection. This is the vertex. So x dash O x and this is about y O y dash are the coordinate axes. Then origin is at 0 0. If origin is taken as 0 0 and x and y coordinates are taken as axis of the parabola, then the equations obtained are in its simplest form. Now, orientation of parabola may be divided into 4 types. This is called right-handed parabola. On the positive side of x-axis, so right-handed parabola or first standard parabola. So, parabola is defined as the set of all points in a plane that are equidistant from a fixed line and a fixed point. A fixed line is called directrix of the parabola, and the fixed point is called focus of the parabola. And the line joining focus and perpendicular to the directrix is called axis of the parabola. Now, if origin, that is 0, 0, is taken as the vertex, this is the origin is taken as a vertex, and x and y axis as axis of the parabola, then orientation of parabola can be divided into 4 types. This is a right-handed parabola. Right-handed parabola. Or you can say first standard parabola. First standard parabola. Now, next is left-handed parabola. Suppose these are the coordinate axes. X dash, OX, and YO, Y dash. So this parabola, so this is the directrix. This is the focus. Here focus, coordinates of focus here will be, suppose this distance is OF is A, then this will be A0. This will be the coordinates of focus, and this distance is also A. Suppose this is C, then equation of this line will be, direction will be x equal to, this is minus sign, so minus A. This implies that x plus A equal to 0. This is the equation of directrix of right-handed parabola. Now here, so this is the point P, xy, and this is perpendicular to the directrix. Then here focus, coordinates focus will be minus A and 0. This side, left hand side will be negative. So this will be the focus of left-handed. So this is the left-handed parabola. Or we call second standard parabola. Equation of directrix will be here x is equal to a this implies that x minus a equal to 0. This will be the equation of directrix of left-handed parabola. Third type of parabola is upward parabola. In both cases, right-handed as well as left-handed, x-axis is the axis of the parabola. Third type is upward parabola. Third type of parabola is upward parabola. So these are the coordinate axes x dash o x and y dash y o y dash. So this will be upward parabola. Its directrix will be, suppose this is the focus. Here focus point will be y is 0 and a. This is the focus of the upward parabola, and this will be the directrix and L. This is the directrix of the upward parabola. Here y is equal to minus a, like that y plus a equal to 0. This is the equation of directrix of the upward parabola. This is upward parabola, or we can say third standard parabola. This is the any point x, y on the parabola. Join, suppose this point is P, so join PF, and from P draw perpendicular to directrix PB. Then PF will be equal to PB as per definition of a parabola. So this is the third type of a standard parabola, or also known as upward parabola. And fourth is downward parabola. Axis is y-axis. Axis of the parabola will be y-axis. Fourth is downward. Coordinate axes are x dash o x and y o y dash. Downward parabola will be, suppose this is the vertex. So this will be downward parabola. Focus will be here. Suppose this point is F, that is focus. Coordinate will be x equal to 0 and this is minus a. This is the coordinates of focus, and directrix will be, this will be the line L, that is directrix. Here equation will be y equal to a plus side, so y minus a equal to 0 will be the equation of directrix of the downward parabola. There is a point P here on the parabola xy, then this distance PF, and from here draw perpendicular on directrix. So PF will be equal to PV as per definition of a parabola. So this is the downward parabola. Or fourth, standard parabola. These are the four categories of parabolas. Now we will find the equation of parabola using for right-handed parabola. We will derive the equation for right-handed type parabola. Here in right-handed parabola, as per definition of parabola, PF will be equal to PB. PB is perpendicular to L, that is directrix, and PF equal to PB by definition of parabola. Now PF will be equal to, using distance formula, root x minus a whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to x minus a whole square plus y square. This implies that PF will be now PB is perpendicular to A. So this implies that PB will be equal to perpendicular distance from P to directrix. Formula is A x1 plus B y1 plus C from A square plus B square. Now here A is equal to 1. Equation of the parabola is x plus a equal to 0. So A equal to 1, B is equal to 0 and C is equal to A. So PB will be equal to, therefore PB will be equal to x plus a by 1, that is x plus a. Hence, now we have F equal to PB. Therefore, this will be equal to x plus a. Now this implies that x minus a square plus y square root whole square equal to x plus a whole square. This implies that x minus a whole square plus y square is equal to x plus a whole square. This implies that x square minus twice ax plus a square plus y square equal to x square plus twice ax plus a square. So x square cancelled, a square and a square cancelled. This implies that y square is equal to 4ax. So this is the equation of parabola. Now point P satisfies this equation because P is a point on the parabola. Now conversely, let us take Conversely, let point P x, y satisfies the equation y square equal to 4ax. Now we have pf equal to under root x minus a whole square plus y square. Now since this point satisfies this equation, so then we can replace y square with 4x. So this is equal to x minus a whole square plus 4ax. This is equal to x square minus twice ax plus a square plus 4ax. This is equal to x square plus twice ax plus a square is equal to x plus a whole square is equal to x plus a, and x plus a is PB. Hence, equation of the parabola is therefore the right-handed parabola is y square equal to 4ax, and all the points on the parabola satisfies this equation because P is any point on the parabola. So all the points on the parabola satisfy this equation. Now we will find latus rectum. What is latus rectum? Latus rectum, so we write here take the line segment passing through focus and perpendicular to axis of the parabola, whose end points are on the parabola. This is called latus rectum. Suppose in this figure, draw a line segment. This is the focus. A0. Draw a line segment perpendicular to the axis. So this is L and L dash. Suppose LF is equal to value L. Suppose its length is L dash. So its coordinates will be x equal to A and y equal to L dash. And its coordinate will be x equal to A, y equal to minus L dash. Now equation of the parabola is y square equal to 4ax. Here y is equal to L dash and x equal to A. Therefore, L dash square will be equal to 4a square. This implies that L dash will be equal to twice A. This is also L dash. So this implies that twice L dash will be equal to 4A. So this implies that latus rectum equal to 4A. So this is the latus rectum. Okay. Now if we summarize the results for all the 4 types of parabolas, we have type of parabola, type, equation, similar way you can find the equations for all the other 3 types of parabolas. Equation and focus, latus rectum. Type is right-handed parabola. Right-handed parabola, or you can say first standard parabola. Equation is y square equal to AX. Focus is A0. Lateral rectum is equal to 4A. This is number 1. Number 2, left-handed parabola. Left-handed parabola or second standard parabola. Equation will be y square equal to minus 4ax. You can find this in a similar way. Focus will be minus a0. Lateral rectum will be same. Third is upward parabola. In case of upward parabola, y-axis acts as the axis of the parabola. Or is it called third standard? Third standard parabola. Equation will be x square equal to 4ay. It will be x to 0 and a. This will be the focus. The lateral rectum will be same 4a. And fourth type is downward parabola. Or say fourth standard parabola. This will be x square equal to minus 4ay. And here focus will be minus a. Lateral rectum will be same 4a. You can find these equations following similar pattern, similar method. Now we will stop here and continue further in the next session. Till then, goodbye and thanks for watching.